Those students listen. Those students have learned, and those students understand, and those students are not there to judge you or the person that you have a problem with. They're there for a reason, and they're there to solve the problem if they can solve the problem and help out in any way.
We'll sit down and look at them and tell them that they mattered, and to make them feel like they mattered and there was somebody listening, and to help them get in a position to take care of their housing related needs so that they didn't lose their homes over things they couldn't fully control.
It's scary when a landlord serves you with a notice that you're being brought to court. And in DC, tenants have a lot of rights, and most of them don't know anything about them, so they agree to bad deals or they just move out and they don't assert them.
Most surprised by the kind of mechanized nature of landlord-tenant court and the kind of somewhat landlord-friendly nature of it. There was just a lot about both the physical setup of the court and the way the court operated. I really did get the feeling of somewhat of a rigged process.
Not every single case will have a positive outcome. There are some cases that either by law or by some previous agreement that the client has made before they came to see us. And that was one of the most challenging things to face, was to kind of interview a client, spend time with them, hear their story, but then ultimately have to explain to them that there wasn't anything we could do.
They don't tell you anything that they don't do. They don't tell you anything that they don't mean. If you put your 1 foot forward, they're going to put the rest behind you and going to get the case done. That's the reason I love law students.
We see how we impact our clients every day. We go to our clients' homes, we interact with them and their families. I've been to my client's home a handful of times already.
Everywhere I go on the street, when I introduce myself as a student attorney for DC law students in court, people want our business cards, people want us to represent them, people out in the community really like the work we do. We care about our clients and we work really hard for them.
Your contribution is directly benefiting the community that's served by these clinics, but more than that, your contribution is helping to educate a new wave of highly skilled attorneys who are passionate about serving this community long term.
Law Students in Court is one of the only programs that was really there and that was taking on so many clients in the landlord-tenant court, and that there were so many people who needed assistance and so few options for them to get help.
An understanding of people, understanding of cultures, understanding of society, things that sometimes when we go through lives we've got our own little lane. We never really see outside of that. I think Law Students in Court was very transformative for me. Changed man when I came out of there.